Guys, have you ever seen a video that gets millions of views and thought you want to create something similar, but you have no idea how it was edited? You try to recreate it, spend hours adjusting effects and timing, and in the end, it still looks amateur. I'm Daniel, welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. And today we're taking a look at Pippit, a tool that completely changes how viral videos are made. Pippit, a ByteDance product, can now clone the creative DNA of any video and lets you recreate any viral video from an online reference. Same viral impact, faster to launch. So instead of starting from scratch, you take something that already works and rebuild it for your own content. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's jump in and see how this actually works. Friends, you've definitely seen viral videos and thought, I want to make something like that. But recreating the same pacing, visuals, and audio manually takes a lot of time. That's where Pippit comes in. It analyzes the creative DNA of viral videos and helps you create new content based on that formula. To make that comparison properly, we first need to give Pippit the original reference video. So I am uploading a viral style clip, and the idea is to let the system study its pacing, structure, and visual logic before generating a new version. Here I'm selecting the model, in this case Sora 2, which is a premium option. Folks, after that we move on to the setup. For example, I'm setting the format to 9:16, and once everything is set, we simply start the generation. The platform begins processing, and this is where the whole workflow starts to feel very different from doing everything manually. And just like that, the video is ready. You can preview it right away or download it. Let's take a look.
New Dan Energy. Zero sugar, full charge. Fuel your drive, sharpen your focus, and keep moving. Whatever your grind, Dan ignites it.
Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Now, instead of walking through manual uploads, let's look at a few examples so you can clearly see how this works in practice. Friends, first we have a product style example. Here we are looking at a Samsung Fold presentation, but it's not just a regular showcase. The scene starts like a typical product video, and then suddenly a dog jumps right out of the screen and runs forward, creating this strong 3D effect that instantly grabs attention. You can see how the motion is built around that moment. The transition from a flat screen into depth feels smooth, and the animation pulls you into the scene instead of just showing the product. It's not just about visuals here, it's about creating that wow, did that just happen reaction. What really stands out is how immersive the whole sequence feels. The movement is fluid, the timing hits at the right moment, and overall it looks like something you'd expect from a high-end commercial, not something generated automatically. Mates, now let's look at a completely different format. Here we have a more quirky, stylized example. In this scene, a monster is just sitting calmly while someone is painting its nails with gold polish, and the whole video leans into this unexpected, almost surreal vibe. There's a strong contrast between the character and the action, which is exactly what makes it work. The pacing is slow and deliberate, letting you focus on the details, and the simplicity of the scene actually makes it more memorable. Folks, and finally, let's take a look at a story-driven example.
You're cute, in a basic kind of way, but I like winners.
Oh, right.
This isn't where my story ends. It keeps going.
I was wrong about you. I'm sorry.
I know.
Here we have a playful narrative where a strawberry rejects a mango, and we follow how he transforms over time, growing into a confident, successful CEO, and the whole sequence builds around that progression. What's interesting here is how structured everything feels. The pacing, the transitions between scenes, and the character progression all work together to tell a complete story, not just show random visuals. And again, the key thing is that all of this is generated while maintaining a very high level of visual quality. Another important thing is that Pippit is free to use and gives you new credits every day, so you can experiment without worrying about costs. And since it's powered by CapCut technology, the output quality is already very solid. Alright friends, let's wrap this up with some final thoughts. In this video we explored how Pippit works and how you can take a viral reference video, upload it into the platform, and generate your own version based on the same structure and style. Instead of spending hours trying to recreate effects manually, you can now build on what already works and turn it into your own content in just a few minutes. So what do you guys think? Would you try something like this for your videos? Or do you prefer editing everything from scratch? If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.